Shelly Campbell with Smooth Winds Travel. Welcome to our channel, and we are going to explore the Disneyland Hotel in downtown Disney today. So come join us. Welcome to the Disneyland Resort. Disneyland, I should say, is celebrating their 70th anniversary for July 2025 into the beginning of 2026. Welcome to the beautiful lobby for check-in. You can see the stores are all here. But one really fun thing about the lobby, if you explore around, they have some teacups. They have 3 teacups here in the lobby area. Great little photo ops as you come in, so definitely don't miss that little hidden Easter egg of sorts. One of my favorite things about the Disneyland Hotel is it has so much history. So there is so much to do. As you can see, live entertainment, the pool, walking distance into downtown Disney, into Disneyland Parks, California Adventure. But if you go to the back side of the wall by the elevators, they have some great history that you can look at. Photos of celebrities, presidents, politicians, just well-known people around the world that have come to Disneyland throughout the year. So really definitely stop. They've got some great history of the park being built. Walt and Roy themselves here and some of their family. Definitely don't want to miss this. Right here, you'll also have one of 2 gift shops they have here. Of course, this is the larger one. One fun little thing they do have throughout the day is they have an animator actually working and drawing. So a fun little stop in to watch. They're really nice to talk to. You can ask questions, maybe get you some custom art signed by the artist. So definitely stop in. All your souvenirs that you can get, in the parks, a little limited, but you can definitely find some great souvenirs here. And then as you walk out through the back, you will see all of the wonderful towers and the pool. Right now, we are celebrating the 70th anniversary of Disneyland that opened in 1955. And so you will see lots of those celebrations going on. So there's 4 towers here at Disneyland Resort. You've got the Fantasy, which is kind of your main resort tower in the lobby. And then we've got over here the Adventure, and this is really cute. We will go inside Adventure and show you around, because inside the lobbies have a really fun little displays. So we've got the Jungle Cruise, and it gives you little things about how the Jungle Cruise was created. So this is real fun. And then once you head out of the Adventureland tower, you can head left. You have the I can't ever say it. Tangaroa Terrace. There we go. kind of restaurant, quick service, sit down here. And then on the other side, you have Trader Sam's. And if you know about the old souvenir mugs and drinks and things, that's there at Trader Sam's. Look at this cute little Mickey. They're always so clever. So right here, too, we have, if you can kind of see in the distance, is the Pixar Pal. It's that white building. That's the Pixar Place Hotel. And then we are headed over here into the Frontier Tower. And this is really neat as it has big thunder. So as you can kind of see, they're the lands of Disneyland. Okay, coming into here is what I was saying, the Big Thunder miniature. And we've got the backside of the pool, hot tub. They even have cabanas for rent. Hi. Here we have the new DVC towers and villas. Oh wow, washcloth creation class. And they're in there getting a DVC tour. And then outside the towers, they have another, this is open to anybody, a little restaurant and bar. There is another pool over that direction that all guests get access to. And then kind of the famous monorail water slides. Disneyland is also a big, or Disneyland Hotel, I should say, is also a big convention. It's got the big convention center here, so there are usually some dance competitions and things going on. One fun thing they do have here is Goofy's Kitchen. Goofy's is a character buffet breakfast, and it's really fun. And then next to Goofy's is, they're just open for breakfast and lunch. Another little quick service, the Coffee House restaurant. One little secret that a lot of people don't know, and it is open to
the public is in the convention center. Here you can go in and you can see one of the cars from Autotopia, and you can sit in it and take pictures, and it's just really cute. So here is Goofy's. Sit down. And then this is real fun. Like I said, you've got the Autotopia car, and you've got the history of Autotopia. So we've done a full tour here of the Disneyland Resort. We walked here into the Fantasia shop a while ago. We're gonna head upstairs, and I'm gonna do just a quick room tour.
Here we are in a standard room. This is 2 queens. Some of the queens have a fold-out couch. This one does not. But really fun, comfy rooms. As you can see, we've got the light-up. I wanted to be quiet so you could hear it. We've got the light-up headboard, play some music. That's what I love so much about the Disneyland Resort. We are going to head over now into downtown Disney. So really easy walk right out from the resort over into security. Please note that security will check your bags. They still physically go through your bags to check for any prohibited items. Right as you walk in from the Disneyland Resort or Pixar, you've got the Star Wars, Legos, lots of great stores to shop at, great restaurants. You do want to make advanced dining reservations, for some of the better ones so that you avoid that wait.
You have the trams over there that pick up over at the Disneyland parking lot and drop you off to get into the gates of Disneyland or DCA. And we got the big Disney souvenir, World of Disney, right next to Starbucks. You can also catch the monorail if you have park tickets for Disneyland. You can catch the monorail, and it takes you right into Tomorrowland. Otherwise, it just does a full loop, excuse me, through Disneyland and DCA. Does a little bit through there, and then comes right back here to downtown Disney. So it's a great way in the evenings to maybe get quicker if you're staying here at Disneyland Resort, Pixar Pier over there, or even Grand Californian. So great way to cut through. All right, guys, thanks so much for walking around Disneyland Resort Hotel in Disney Springs. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe so you keep up with any of our new videos. Thanks. Have a great day.